everyone, this is your Vaishnavi. Today I am going to bring you an exciting place, a nature resort in Nortonbridge, Sri Lanka, called Maskeliy Family Park. Come and spend some uninterrupted family time with nature. A scenic tea estate on 10 acres of land in a beautiful mountain area. You can experience the beauty and serenity of Sri Lanka's scenic hill country with the comforts-friendly resort. You will wake up with birds' beautiful songs. You could also spot some wild chicken, deer, etc. if you are lucky enough. Resort is located in a stunning landscape surrounded by tropical gardens, tea estate, mountain creeks, waterfalls, rivers, and this place is a beautiful drawing by God, benefiting from uninterrupted panoramic views of the countryside. This is a perfect destination to relax. They have an open kitchen. You could see how they cook. Their cooking is very neat, healthy, and tasty. They will cook for your preference. They make you feel you are special. My mom and I stayed here July 2022 during our Sri Lankan visit. The resort people are so nice and friendly. You can access organic, local vegetables and fruits. They offer fruits from their estate for free. This resort is built in the heart of the hill country. This stylish resort offers guests the utmost serenity in a naturally stunning location. They have nice ponds with beautiful fishes. They let me feed the fishes. I am so happy to stay in this place. I'm looking forward to my next vacation to stay here again. They charge 6,000 Sri Lankan rupees for 1 day stay and full meal. That is equivalent to 25 Canadian dollars and around 23 US dollars. It is also a very good deal. The full meal included breakfast, lunch, dinner, coffee, tea, ice cream, fruit salad. This way is walking to the tea estate. The nearest airport is Colombo Bandaranaike International Airport. Around 3 hours, 15-minute drive from there to this place. This place offers van service to pick you up from the airport with the request for an additional charge. You could also come by train from Colombo to the nearby city Hatton, then take the local bus to reach this place. This is our first experience staying in a tea estate and feeling the tea leaves. My mom asked the estate workers if she put raw tea leaves in hot water to get any flavor. They said no, the raw tea leaves itself no flavor. These leaves go through some process to get the wonderful tea. This is one of the tea estate workers' house. Look at this beautiful tea estate. The tea estate worker show us the length of tea leaves take from the tea tree for the process of tea. Later in the day, they harvested the tea leaves. That is in my next video. I love to see tea leaf picking. Economic crisis in Sri Lanka is better than before. You could travel without any hassles now. It is a very safe country to travel and stay.
இப்போ எல்லாம் இப்போ தேயிலை சும்மா இல்லையே என்ன செய்வாங்க இது ஏதாவது உதவுமா சும்மா இல்லை பச்சையில் நீங்கள் என்ன செய்வீங்க பச்சையிலையே
இது பச்சையில ஒன்றும் இல்லைங்க.
This is one of the tea estate worker. If you are a person that likes to know different countries' lifestyle, this is the good place for you. The man climbing on the tree to pick Sri Lankan fruits for us. They are very yummy. My mom is doing booking and travel arrangements for this place. Feel free to contact us. You could get her contact number in the description box below. The Sri Lankan famous Maskeliy Falls is in walking distance. Saksapana Falls, Sri Pada Mountain are in 45 minutes drive. When you travel this place, better to bring a rain boots. Here an insect called leeches can bite you. It's like a mosquito bite. It is nothing serious. Better to come prepared. This place have tropical weather. You can feel spring weather there. It's not too hot. It is not too cold. This is the main resort area. It's a nice hallway. Rooms are lined each side. This is our room. Rooms are big and have beautiful views. You could see outside through the glass doors. Every room has a small desk, neat washroom, This is the hallway all visitors can access. You can use the TV and books. They have free Wi-Fi. They also have wood cabins too. 3 people can stay in that cabin. This is the creek coming straight from the mountain. The cabins are in a different building. It's also very safe to stay. When you're staying in these cabins, you can go to the main resort and have your food. If you really want to serve in your cabin, they will do that too. They put customers first. They will take care of all your needs. in these chairs and watching nature will be a fantastic experience. No one's are staying in these cabins now. That's the reason the beds don't have sheets. But when you have a booking, they make your beds nice and wonderful. Their swimming pool is extraordinary. A fresh creek water from the mountain filling the swimming pool. No chlorine added water. Fresh from the mountain. When the swimming pool is full, it overflows and goes to a pond where you can see beautiful fishes. This is the viewing area. You could view the beautiful fishing pond and the nature. It is an unforgettable experience to swim in this swimming pool. This swimming pool area is also so nice and connected to nature. Nature is calling you. Don't wait. Book your spot now. I'll meet you guys in another video. Bye now.